Well, this is something I wanted to show you guys from really long time. This is System D triple action diesel additive. So you have to put 1 ml of this additive in your diesel tank per 1 liter of fuel. This I buy usually from Amazon. So I would suggest everyone who is having a diesel car to start using this. This is really helpful. So I'll show you how this works. So if you can see this has this 5 ml, this is 10 ml. So if you squeeze this, it comes and stops here, and you can put this 20 ml in your fuel tank. Open this and put it in your fuel tank and put 20 liters of diesel. Once you keep using this like 2 bottles, like this is around 250 ml. So this will come around 220 250 liters of diesel. So this will come for a very long time. So once you use 1 or 2 bottles of this, approximately 500 liters of fuel for 2 bottles, you'll see the difference in your engine, how it works, how it sounds. Your mileage is going to improve. So anyone who's having a diesel car, do check this out, do try it. You will definitely love it. This is my 4th bottle I'm running on. Trust me, the engine is running very smooth since I finished like 1.5 bottle of it. I'll link the Amazon link in the descriptions. 20 liters water. What this exactly does is it removes any kind of carbon deposits which is building up inside your engine bay. Your engine's performance is improved. The black smoke which is coming out of your exhaust is significantly reduced. Also the mileage improves over the time. To fill this, you just have to squeeze the bottle on the bottom, and as you can see 10 ml comes on the top and stops. You can just use this bottle to put only that top 10 ml inside the tank. I would personally suggest this for any diesel car which is run over 50,000 kilometers, and try to use at least 3 to 4 bottles in a stretch. That's it for this one, guys. Until next time.
Rana.